The mass airflow, this is Torx T25. So let's go after the mass airflow first. First step is to lift up this and remove the plug to the mass airflow. And we get that off. And then with our T25, we're going to remove that and replace. You get both of those off. Alright. Here we need clean hand. Make sure if this mass airflow is still good. I've cleaned it once. I do not want to touch it on the surface. So let's get the new one. As we can see here, the brand new one is pretty comparable to the old one. We're just going to remove the old one. Set that aside. Make sure the O-ring fits snugly in there. And take this T25 and start that. Okay. This is a quick. There we go. One candle. That's in there snug. Just hand tight. And we'll connect the connector back on there. And we're going to do a rescan before we do the Venus solenoid clean. We want to make sure that takes care of that one error code. The cheap replacement mass airflow doesn't really do a good job, but the bounce and the tachometer is still occurring. You can see it going up and down there. So we haven't solved the problem yet. We'll try to solve it now by taking that intake Venus and clean that out. Even though it seems to have steadied, but I don't think this is the solution. Let's do a rescan real quickly. We're doing a new health report without clearing the code.